How to get logged in on Paramount Plus. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you wish to log in using your credentials on Paramount Plus website or app, here are the steps that you need to follow. First of all, head over to its official website or the application on your device. Once you are in the website, tap on the sign in button from the top right corner and you will be asked to enter the email associated with your Paramount Plus account. Then after, you'll have to input your password. If you have forgotten your password, you can even forgot password link to reset it. After entering your credentials, you can tap on sign in. You might also be required to verify your login through confirmation mail in some cases. Once that is done, you should be able to browse and stream content. However, if you cannot find the sign in button, here is another link provided by Paramount Plus in order to contact them directly for the sign in troubles and issues. So this way, after you contact the customer support, you will get a help from the customer support directly for the login. So that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.